Hi, I'm Todd Surace from Trobe Financial. I chose Trobe Financial because of the product that they're offering to investors. It's a product that gives clients a known outcome, and it's also fulfilling a lot of what are the gaps in the marketplace. There's not a lot of fixed income options in the Australian marketplace. They actually give investors more of a known outcome, and that's what I believe is missing. That's the reason why I joined here at Trobe. I've been in the finance industry since 2008, so I'm going into my 11th year in the industry now. What excites me about personal wealth is the fact that you're able to provide solutions to individual investors. Once you begin to see that you're actually making differences to clients' portfolios and their overall lives over the longer term, that is when you start to see the benefit and your actual added benefit to the individual client at the end of the day. That's the reason why I've joined the industry, and that's the reason why I've stayed in the industry, is the ability to actually assist clients at the end of the day. The biggest thing that I like about the Trobe thus far is really the people. The people have been extremely friendly and helpful, especially in the early days of me gaining my feet. Also, the culture within the company has been really friendly. Everyone's very easy to come approachable, and everyone's been really very easy to come to me and give me a hand, and any questions I have always been answered very promptly. The biggest difference that I have noticed here is the care that people tend to have in what they're doing, and also the fact that people have been within the company for such a long period of time as well. Because that's the biggest difference that I have noticed to date, is people that they do have conviction in what they're doing and the solutions that they are starting to provide to the individual investors. The general care that you're seeing being offered to their clients and what they're doing for the overall market as well.